Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're going to be changing the front and rear windshield wipers on the Subaru Forester. We're going to start off with the different sizes. The driver's side is a 26-inch, passenger side is 17-inch. Now here's the part numbers that I used in this video. These are Michelin brand. Now it's very easy to take these off. You can do it by hand. All you have to do is lift up and push down on that button while sliding it out. Sometimes it helps to slightly push forward and then push the button and pull it back. Now the trick on these ones where it says press here, you do have to take these ones off. So you push up and then you lift this off. See the little hook on the bottom? It's just on a little bar. Now you take the K one, the one that's labeled K, and you're going to pop it straight down onto there, and now you can use that attachment. Also, don't forget to take off the little protectors on the sides here, and you'll just simply slide the new windshield wiper right back in until it clicks. Now for the rear, it's a little different. You need the B as in Bravo. There's two different sizes. And so you simply just twist it off like that to pull it towards you. Now notice the little nub here, that's going to be on the bottom, and that's going to match up to the little channel that it goes onto. So here's the wiper itself. See that little channel at the bottom? So you know that's where those two line up. That's how you know if it's upside down or not. So we're going to go ahead and show you this again. Just line it up with the nub one on the bottom, slide it into position and turn it towards you to get it down into that channel, then just flip it flat like that. So that's how easy it is to remove that. I'll show you again here. Bring it in through the top, and it has to be the B one. The A one was too small to go in the top. And then you just rotate it like that and give it a close. So we'll just run through this one more time for good luck. Pull it open like this. Tilt it and continue to tilt it that way as you bring it towards yourself so it comes out of that notch, which is angled towards you. Now again, look down here, make sure that it's the B one that has the two big holes. The A one had a very small hole at the top. So see that nub again? We're making sure that it goes in this way so that you angle it in, and that little nub on the bottom follows the track that was there on the bottom part. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description. I'll show you some other videos that are similar to this. If you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.